Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this blowout hair on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything that I use. We only need to adjust one item, so that's good. I'm just going to select this hair. I think I might change the color and actually make it like brown and like maybe this color. Hold on, let me find like a slightly lighter brown. Maybe like that. I want it to be like caramel, so I'll do that. And then I'm going to go to the wavy section. I'm going to add this one in that brown color. Then I'm going to also add this hair in no flowers on the front toggle. With that same brown color, just adjust the Y position to 0.53. And then we are going to go to the curly section and we're going to grab this one in that same hair color. And then we are going, oh, I actually forgot. Okay, just go to the curly section and then grab this hair. And then I am lastly going to grab this hair. Whoops. Over here in that same color as well. Like so. And that is it for this video. That is your blowout hair on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.